What? Yummy?
You want to eat the banana?
How about our Kali?
Why not?
Yan!
Hello!
Hello! So we're here at Mercedes Restaurant Cafe dito sa Alfonso, Tagaytay. Alfonso, Tagaytay, no?
Cavite?
Alfonso, Cavite. So yan, so we're going to have lunch here and there's Kali. Kali! And si Kuya. Kuya Kai. You love the place? You like here? Huh? You answer ah. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so yan. So ito yung place. So malaki siya and along the road lang siya, along the highway lang siya. So yan. So pakita namin yung place sa inyo. So ito yung main entrance nila. Hello, Kai.
Hello!
So yan.
Road!
The road. Go inside. It's not here.
The road!
Yeah.
The road is going up.
The road.
That's where the cars go.
That's where the cars go.
Yeah.
So, nandito yung fountain. Nasa gitna. Ayan si Kayus. Ano yan, Kai? Fountain?
I love that waterfall.
Fountain waterfall?
Waterfall.
Wow, si Kali, oh. Wow, what's that, Kali?
Waterfall.
Kakagising lang ni Kali, eh.
Or fountain.
Nakasimangot, ah. Ano na, hindi niya natitigilan. Oh, let's go to the other side na. Yan, so, ito yung other side of the area. So, yan. Tapos, merong for group.
Pwedeng private.
Pwedeng private. So, yan. Yan, tapos nandito yung gitnang part ng resto. So, yan. So, yan siya. Nandito yung cafe. Andito rin yung kitchen nila, eh. So, yan. Dito yung kabilang side ng alfresco area nila. So, yan. So, malaki siya actually. So, yan. Si guys na makulit. So, yan. So, nag-cater din sila ng events. And itong side na to, ito yung malapit sa parking lot na entrance. So, andun yung parking lot doon. Tapos, nandito din yung indoor, yung aircon na area. So, dito kami. Kasi, mainit sa labas.
Kawawa naman
Kawawa naman si Kali Bear. Tama naman yung leg ni Kali Bear, Daddy. Go.
Here's the other side.
Hmm?
The other side.
Ito nga, oh, we're showing them this indoor area.
Mommy, there's no more playground.
And food. Yun. The Alfredo pizza. Ano nga to? Aglio olio.
Aglio olio shrimp.
Aglio olio shrimp. Grilled pork belly. Then the grilled pork belly. Oh, let's eat na.
Pineapple.
And for drinks, what's your drink, Kai?
Pineapple.
What's that?
Cherry.
Cherry. Pineapple. Then kay Daddy melon. Kay Mommy water lang. Let's go eat na. Grilled pork belly here.
The food is yummy.
Yummy na agad. So, Kayus will try the pork. Go try. What? Yummy?
Yummy.
Ah, it's yummy. Oh, eat the rest of it.
Look here.
Oh, eat the rest of it.
Alfredo pizza. Yummy.
Pineapple and cherry.
Hot
Look,
cherry.
there's more
You like the cherry?
Yeah.
How about your pork? Is it yummy? Yes?
I want to cut my pork.
Want to cut your pork?
More pork.
Okay.
Try this is cheese. You want to try? Yummy.
Kali's done eating na.
Yeah.
Done eating
Busog
na.
na, busog na.
It's not the taste of busog. Kali there.
Kali. Yeah. Now, mommy will try the pasta.
Want to try?
Yummy. What's that? This one?
The tree?
The tree?
Naway na si Kali.
You want Kali?
You want pizza then, be?
Mm.
Yes.
You want pizza din? Hala, Kali wants pizza din daw.
Can Kali have down?
And mom's daddy.
And mommy's dead. Tayo like the food?
Yeah.
Which one is your favorite?
The pizza.
The pizza?
Yeah.
What else?
The cherry.
You like the cherries?
Yes.
Yan! So, done na kaming mag-eat. Diba? Done na mag-eat. Ay, gising na si Kali. And so far, so good yung experience namin dito sa Mercedes. So, must-try restaurant siya. Dito, if ever mapadaan kayo dito sa Alfonso, Cavite. Along the road naman siya eh. So, ayun lang. Dito, marami silang food choices. So, meron silang Southeast Asian food, Indian, Italian, and Filipino food. So, and yung place, malaki yung place. So, kaya nilang mag-accommodate ng madaming tao. So, yan. Di ba, Kai? Yan. How about si Kali?
Tsaka maganda yung ambience niya. Cozy lang.
Cozy lang. Although, medyo mainit pag sa labas. Kaya mas pinili namin yung indoor kasi meron kaming Kali and Kuya Kayus na makulit. Yan. So, we stopped by here sa The White Dome Cafe. Right, Kai? Si Kayus, oh, lamig na lamig. So, yan. So, ito yung itsura niya. Along the way lang siya pauwi. Kaya nag-stop by na kami. What are you saying, Kai? Huh?
There's a plastic there, the big one.
There's a plastic?
The big plastic one.
Wow. This is like a tent.
Yeah, that's
Big tent.
A big
Oh.
tent.
a big tent dome.
Yan. Si Kali and si Daddy, oh. Ang Kali bear. Ang Kayus.
Bear.
Yan. So, umorder na kami nung cheesecake and yung sea salt latte and house blend iced tea. Yan. How about you? You want anything?
No.
No? You're full na? Malamig ba, Kai? Malamig. Kayus, lamig na lamig ka? Are you cold? Oh, you already have the cheesecake. O, Kayus will try. Go. One lang. Dali, just cook na.
Cheese lang.
How is it? What? Yummy? Yeah. You like it?
Mom, this is
Sit
here.
here beside mommy.
You'll try from me.
Yeah, mommy will try.
Mommy will try the cheesecake.
Oh no, I can't look.
Why? Why you can't look?
Yummy.
Yummy.
Sarap.
Yummy too.
Yummy too.
Sarap.
Wow.
They will try the sea salt. Let's try yung sea salt na lang. Sea salt latte. You want your iced tea? Oh, look at this. Oh.
I'm Diesel.
Hindi to, not allowed sa'yo to.
That's
This
coffee.
is coffee.
You want coffee?
You want coffee? No.
I did not eat.
No.
Look at the bubbles.
I want to watch it.
Watch it now.
I want to watch it go down, down.
Yummy.
Down, 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 down.
No, there's something there.
What's that? That's ice.
The straw yun.
Straw to.
No, that's
It's ice. Ice yan. Ice.
Ice and straw.
Like this, oh. There's ice, oh. Yes, Kali.
Oh, be careful, huh?
let's get the ice.
Don't remove the ice. It's iced coffee.
No, this the brown one. I'm removing it.
That's the,
The
foam.
foam yan, be.
The yummy, yummy foam.
Oh, you drink your own lang. Your iced tea. This one. This is your own. This is your drink.
Sour.
Super sour, eh.
Can I try? Yummy?
Hindi siya na asin.
Yeah, yummy. But
Mmm.
the lemon's good na there.
Yummy.
And it's in the floor now.
Kasi inulog mo. Inulog mo sa floor yung lemon.
Masang lasa yung lemon.
Asin.
Legit lemon.
Yung lemonade nila is lemon talaga.
Hey, look at the lizard. Yeah.
You want din, Kali?
The lizard will eat the black insect. That's sweet.
Yeah, because she's hungry.
Charlie wants the cake.
A lizard that's an insect. Let's watch.
Let's watch.
Yeah, the lizard. It's scary.
Yes, Kali.
Lizard! Over there, a food for you.
Kali is so sleepy na. Need
Tired
to
as
go home
Kali.
na. Need to go home na.
Look at that.
Wow, this is the outside of the White Dome Cafe.
Yeah.
Yeah, meron din silang toilet there. So ongoing pa yung ibang part ng cafe eh. Pero ito yung labas. So yan. Show them. Show them around.
Hello. Hello, Dad.
Hello, Daddy. You can see them there.
Hello, Daddy.
Hello.
Where are you?
Yeah, they're inside. So, yan. So, ongoing pa yung renovation na part. Yan. Tapos, merong mga lights paggabi. What?
We can see those houses there.
We can see those houses there. Yan, ito yung view. Puro house and then yung mga trees. We're done na. Si Kali ay super sleepy na. Tired na si Kali. Si Kuya, madami pang energy eh. Ayan o. You say bye-bye na.
More play pa.
More play pa?
Yeah, because I'm jumping and jumping.
You're jumping and jumping.
Yeah, that's simple.
Oh,